comm.care simplifies the process of gathering information needed to invoice your client, report to funders, and feed your payroll system or manage your services. The new feature of multiple lines makes running activity reports and interpreting them easy. Running reports can be for collating information to assess the total hours of service delivery in a set time, total hours of services performed by your staff for the period that will be mentioned in the hours, column to see total hours of service, including volunteer hours that is non billable. To run a report, go to My Organization and the Reports tab, and on the right hand side, choose Activity Report in the blue bar. Now choose the occurrence date for which you want to run the report. I will choose last month and click on OK. For how the supports will be paid, you may want to choose all or extract the activities where the client's plan is self-managed or managed by a third-party plan management provider so that you can invoice more efficiently. Here I will choose all types. The filters are exciting as you can choose to run the report for one or more circles and similarly for one or more services across all your circles. Once you have selected appropriate filters, you can move ahead by clicking on Generate Report. And you can see comm.care will fill all the data of your billable hours from the progress notes created. You can see in the column of support items, it mentions both direct service as well as provider travel for a clear view of the services provider along with the quantity and hours. To know more on how to claim all these hours in bulk, refer to the link given in the description. Once you have generated the report, you can download the report by going to Action and clicking on Download CSV. So that's it. This is how you can generate a report to see all the services provided along with the support item of direct service as well as provider travel. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.